Ninth standard number system, real numbers and their decimal expansion. Exercise 1.3. First main, write the following in decimal form and say what kind of decimal expansion each has. First one, 36 by 100. Now let us divide 36 by 100. Here 100 zeros are 100 zeros are 0, so 36 is there remainder. So let me place a decimal point, so we will get 0. Here 100 threes are 300, so remainder is 60. So here another 0. 106 are 600, so remainder is 0. So here this is equal to 0.36. So what is the decimal expansion? What is the nature of the decimal expansion? Is terminating decimal expansion. Now let us move on to the next problem. That is, second one is 1 by 11. So let me divide 1 by 11. So here 2, 11 zeros are 0, so 1 is the remainder. So decimal point, so 0. So this is also not possible. 11 zeros are 0, here 2, 10 remainder, so 0. 11 nines are 99, so 1 is the remainder. So this process continues here. So here this will be 1 by 11 is equal to 0.090909, like this process. Here 1 is there, here also 1 is there, so this process continues. So we will write 0.09, likewise the repeating part. So what is this? Non-terminating recurring. So it is as this repeats 090909, likewise repeating is there. The decimal expansion is non-terminating. It is not non-terminating and recurring, or is recurring. So it is also a rational number. So let me move on to the next problem. That is next we will check the third one. That is 4 1 by 8. So it is in a mixed fraction form. Let me transform it into the improper fraction. So it is equal to 4 into 8 plus 1 by 8, which is equals to 4 8s are 32 plus 1 by 8, which is equals to 33 by 8. Now let me divide 33 by 8. 8 4s are 32. So what is the remainder? 1 is the remainder. So here let me mark a decimal point, so we will get a 0 here. 8 1s are 8, so remainder is 2, so 0. 8 2s are 16, so 4 is the remainder, so 0 we will get. 8 5s are 40, so the remainder became 0. As the remainder became 0, you should the decimal expansion is terminated. So terminating decimal expansion, terminating decimal expansion. Nature of the decimal expansion is terminating decimal expansion. We will not say anything about recurring or not. Next one is the fourth problem. Fourth one is 3 by 13. 3 by 13. For this 3 13 is right. So what we will do means 13 zeros are 0, so 3 is the remainder. So we will mark a point here, so 0 we will get. 13 2s are 26, so 4 is the remainder. 4 0 is there. 13 3s are 30, 9. So 1 is the remainder. So here 0. 13 zeros are 0. So 10 is there. So here 100. So 13 sevens are 71. Sorry, 91. 91. So here 9 is the remainder. 9. 0. It comes here. So 13 6 are 13 6 are 78. 12 is the remainder. So here 0. 13 9s are 117. So 3 is the remainder. Here 3 came. That is more important. Here also is there 3. That means here what happens here there will be expansion. Let me write 3 by 13 is equal to 0.230769. Likewise there will be expansion. That means this will be having this is the repeating part. So here we can say about this one is non-terminating. We can say that it is a non-terminating, non-recurring decimal expansion. Non-terminating decimal expansion. Fifth one is 2 by 11. 2 when 2 divided by 11. 11 zeros are 0. 2 is there 0. Point. So 0. Yes, right. Decimal point. So we will get 0. 11 ones are 11. So the answer is remainder is 9. So 0 here. 11 eights are 88. So 2 is the remainder. So here also we have the 2. Yes, right. So 2 by 11. 2 by 11 is equal to 0.18. It is the repeating part. 18, 18, 18. Likewise it recurs. So what we want to do, it is also written as 0.18 dash. Yes, right. So it is non-terminating, non-recurring. Sorry, what I wrote. Yes, here I made a mistake here. Yes, here you can see non-terminating. It is recurring. It is not non-recurring decimal expansion. It was recurring decimal expansion. You should be careful. I made a mistake. Let me correct it now. Yes, right. Recurring decimal expansion. That's right. Recurring decimal expansion. So next one is fourth one, fifth, sixth one. 329 by 400. So let us solve this one. We'll check it off. When 329 is divided by 400. So here 400 it is 400 is bigger number, whereas this one is smaller number. So zeros 400 zeros it is 0. So 329. So we will mark a point here. So we will get here 0. So what happens? 4 8s 32 is there. 4 8s are 32. So 32 00 here. So 90 is the remainder. So we will take here another 0. 402s are 800. So 100 is the remainder. So we will take another 0. So 402s are once again 800. So what is the remainder? Means 200 is there. So here another 0. 4 5s are 20. 400 5s are 2000. So there is no remainder now. 0 is the remainder. So it is terminated. So it is 329 by 400. is equal to 0.8225. That means it has terminating decimal expansion. The second man, you know that 1 by 7 is equal to 0.142857 bar. That means this is the repeating part. It's not completely repeats again and again. So next, can you predict what the decimal expansions of 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7 are? We have to find the value decimal expansion of these numbers, but that is without actually doing the long division. If so, how? How can we predict the decimal expansion of these values? But there is a hint has been provided for us, that is study the remainders while finding the value of 1 by 7 carefully. 1 by 7 carefully. So let me divide 1 by 7. 1 by 7. So what will be there? 7 zeros are 0 is there. 1 is the remainder. Point will be there. 0. 7 ones are 7. So what is the remainder here? 3 is there. 0. 7 fours are 28. So 2 is the remainder here. 2 0. 7 twos are 14. So what is the remainder? 6 is the remainder. 6. 6 means 60. So 7 eights are 54. So 6 is the remainder here. 6 7 8s are 56. 56 is there. So here 4 is the remainder. 40. 40 means 7 5s are 35. 35. 5 is the remainder. 5. So 50. 7 7s are 49. So what happens here? 1 comes. This one is there here. So you should understand here the things that here for 1 the remainder 7 we will get 1, remainder 3 1 we will get 1, is right. For 3 we will get 4, for 2 we will get 2, for 8 get 6, for 5, for remainder 4 we will get 5, for remainder 5 we will start with 7. So we have understood this one. So let me write the 2 by 7. So we will be writing 2 by 7. How to write the 2 by 7 means 2 by 7 is equal to, what is the remainder here? 2. So here 2 is there. So it will be 0.2857 14. This is the one. For 2 it will be here 2. 7 2s are 14. Yes, right, you understood now. So remainder is 6. So 6 means 60. 7 8s are 56. Yes, right. Likewise here now we will move on to the 3 by 7. 3 by 7 is equal to, where is 3? It is here 3. So 7 4s are 28. Yes, right. So 0.428571. This is the repeating part. Next one is 4 by 7. What is 4 is there? Where is 4? Here is the 4. For 4, 5 7. Yes, right. 0.571428. Yes, right. This is the repeating part. Next one. What is that? 5 by 7. 5 by 7. Where is 5? 5 is the remainder. Here it is there. 5 is the remainder. So 7 7s are 49. 1. Yes, right. 0. You understood now? Is this, as this is 5, if we divide 5 by 7 means 5, this will be first one. 5 7 7s are 49. So it will be 7 1 4 2 8 1 4 2 8. Likewise it continues, and next comes what? 5. This will continue repeating. What about 6 by 7? What is 6? Here it is 6. For 6, 7 8s are 56. Likewise it continues. 7 8s are 56. Yes, right. First digit will be 8. Next is 5. The remainder will be 4. So 35. And then 5 will be the remainder for 49. Likewise 8 5 7 1 4 2. 1 4 2. Next week is the 8. Likewise this terminating recurring decimal expansion goes on.